Hello everybody, Jason Veenstra here with the Veenstra Real Estate Team, again joined by
Crystal Haydu from Allen Edwin Homes.
And we've got another first for you. We are standing in front of the Integrity 1880 by Allen Edwin Homes. And as I understand it, this is really the first video out about this. So if you are looking for more information about this, you've come to the right place. Crystal, tell us a little bit more about this.
This floor plan, yes. Okay, so we are looking at almost 1,900 square feet.
Okay.
4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms.
Awesome. And what neighborhood are we in right now?
Ooh, we're in Silver Oaks in North Mattawan.
Silver Oaks in North Mattawan. So we've got Mattawan schools.
Oh, awesome, yes.
We've got lots of different things to do around us. Tell us a little bit about that.
Oh my gosh, yes. There's no shortage of things to do. So let's just talk about what's close by. We have 8 minutes from here is Heritage Glen Golf Course.
Awesome golf course, absolutely.
Yep. As a matter of fact, it's so wooded and gorgeous. I lose a sleeve of balls in the last 9, back 9.
The back 9 is...
Yeah, stay in the front, stay in the front.
Fair
Unless
enough.
you're really good, unless you're really good.
I love it.
All right, and then we've got, oh my gosh, we have 3 family-owned farms that
yeah,
are
so you can get your fresh produce, you can get lavender.
I know.
You can get,
yes.
you can do
fruit.
apple picking,
yes,
all of that sort of stuff.
Blueberry picking, strawberries,
and all of that
fresh.
within like 10 minutes.
Yes.
Awesome.
So you've got that. We're in wine country.
Wine country,
so
absolutely.
You'll see the rolling hills with the vineyards, the winery, maybe a little something on Sunday, I'm not sure. A little tasting.
A little tasting, absolutely.
Yeah.
So what's cool about this is this home is already sold. However, you can build this home in the same neighborhood. So you can get all of those great amenities here in this neighborhood. Now, we said it's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. We're actually gonna take you inside. We're gonna give you a tour of the floor plan just to help you get a better idea of kind of what it looks like and the different features of that. So come on in and we'll show you around.
Okay. All right, so here we are in the kitchen. And with this, we have the extended 4-foot island that has 3 spaces for stools. So great if you're here cooking dinner after work, someone's doing some homework or downloading their day, and you're here cooking, boom, 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 right? And doing some dishes. Or you could have multiple people in the kitchen too, cooking together, right? And then immediately adjacent to this functional kitchen, it's going to be a dining area, quite easily can fit 6-person table. And just across from here, storage. Don't we all need that? My gosh, look at all this, 3 shelves. Whoa.
So one of the things that I absolutely love about this floor plan is when you come in from the garage, you've come into this kind of entryway, and we've got a half bathroom, laundry room, coat closet, plus you have extra room here where you can put a bench and maybe some hooks so that when kids are coming in from the garage, they can throw all of their school stuff there. All right, so now we're in the primary bedroom suite, and this is a big space. We've got lots of natural light coming in through the window here, and then we've even got this closet space with its own window, so tons of natural light there. And then we've got this great attached bathroom, and that means that you're not sharing a bathroom with all of your kids.
Okay, and we're on the 2nd floor now, and here's the first of the 4 bedrooms. The 1st and 2nd bedroom are identical in size. And then here's our main bathroom. And the 3rd bedroom that's adjacent to the primary bedroom that would be great for a nursery or an office or a reading room.
Behind me, I have another Integrity 1880 that is under construction by Allen Edwin Homes here in Silver Oaks. And hopefully you're able to see that these homes truly do have a lot to offer. With almost 1,900 finished square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a really nice open floor plan, there's a lot to see here. Now, if you're interested in learning more about the Integrity 1880, about the Silver Oaks neighborhood, or Allen Edwin Homes in general, please reach out. My contact information is below, and I'd love to be able to tell you more about it and be able to walk you through one of these beautiful homes. As always, make sure you like, subscribe, and click that bell to make sure you don't miss out on any future videos. Hope you have a great day, and we'll catch you soon.